Okay, so we're all back together. Remember, make sure you get that little screw in there. On the back side of this piece here, make sure you get that real clean. It is a contraption to hold, because you see it's still loose in there, so there is spots to hold flour or whatever other debris that just falls down into this constantly. So anything you can do to keep all that stuff out of that is best. So we're all back together now. Initially it didn't want to shut off at first, and then it just didn't want to turn on at all. So there we go. I'm going to lose my battery in a minute. That's how it's fixed. Peace and thanks for looking. Stay humble, my friends.